Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So gold technically right now is rather difficult for analysis because here we have the combination of some contradictory moments. It makes very difficult to make the final judgment on what position to make the bet on. So first of all, mostly we have covered this subject in a weekly report because there we talk about the monthly and weekly time frames. In two words speaking, here we could get a kind of the bread and butter look-alike on the monthly chart. And the tricky moment stands so that although formally we do not have yet the confirmation of the bread and butter on the monthly chart because we need to close above the 3x3 moving average on the monthly by the end of the November. But at the same time, market already has hit the major 30% resistance, and this is one of the major conditions for the bread and butter trade. Sometimes it happens that without the formal confirmation, market still shows the proper bread and butter performance. Once we already have seen this, probably on the euro currency. It has happened when we were waiting for the crossing and closing above the 3x3 on a higher time frame, but on lower time frame, market already has shown the 618 pullback right to the support. So and here actually we could get approximately the same thing. This is from the one point of view. From another point of view, we have bullish moments. First of all, this is uncompleted major target that stands around 18 even area. And take a look, price is coming close to the MACD predictor, and potentially next week we could get the bullish grabber. So combination of the bullish grabber and uncompleted XLP suggests possible another upward swing, last spike up to complete the target, especially after the strong performance. So currently it's difficult to believe in ignoring of the XLP just because we have very strong thrusting action. Usually when the market shows this type of action, it tends to complete the extended target. Perfect combination if we will get the completion XLP and simultaneously the close above 3x3 moving average on the monthly chart around the major 30% level. That will be the perfect combination for starting of the bread and butter. But as you understand, we can't guarantee the completion of the XOP round, and it makes the situation tricky. So maybe now we need a chance to go short despite that XOP has not been completed, because in this case we could miss the possible downward action back to the 17 even 1680 target, or we still should wait for a possible action to the XOP. So that makes analysis of the gold market right now is very difficult. At the first glance, if you take a look at the hourly chart, recall what we talked about in the previous week. We talked about the hand and shoulders, and we called to not take the short position based on this pattern because of the divergence and mostly because of the uncompleted target on the daily chart. Besides, overall performance here was very lazy and slow, very choppy. That is not usually in the style of the reversal patterns, which is actually the hand shoulders. That's why mostly we were standing out of the position. Maybe somebody of you have still decided to take the position, now stands in some profit, that's great. So you probably could try to ride on this pattern until the major target. But we still think that currently it is not good point for taking the new short position. So the minimum target of this hand short stands around 1733, 1734. It's completion of the ABCD pattern based on this pattern. But this completion of this pattern is not denying this setup. So market could complete the hand and shoulders somewhere around 1735 area, and then easily starts upward action to the XOP. Both patterns could be completed. That's why as market is already starting with this minor pattern, currently when it already stands below the neckline, it's not very attractive taking the new short. But at the same time, I'm not sure that we could use this pattern as a triggering one of the big bread and butter on the monthly chart. I think that something else should be formed here. We will see, because this starting point and the way how market behaves here, well, for me, it's not enough bearish context. It's not very well reliable for me to treat it as starting point of the big monthly pattern. I think that something else should happen. And from that standpoint, yes, scalp traders who still have decided taking short position, have taken the short position, now you could try to hold it and reach the target. Others, well, personally, I am not intent taking the short position, new short position here. And I'm still think that existence of the uncompleted target here and possible appearing of the bread and butter here outweigh the importance, outweigh this bearish pattern. Besides, if you'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, around 1735, 1738, we have a confluence support, which is actually agrees with the target of this minor hand and shoulders pattern on the hourly chart. So market just could complete it and start bouncing up from the confluence, especially if we will get here the grabber on the daily chart. That will be perfect opportunity for taking short-term bullish position with possible reaching of the 18 even area. So as you can see, the situation is not simple, and mostly we should watch for 1735 level together with the appearing of the bullish grabber around it on the next week. Scalp short position, if you have taken it and you stand in profit right now, well, probably you could try to hold it a bit more and see completion of the target of this minor pattern on the hourly chart. That's our view on the gold market.